You are living your routine. Is your purpose living with you? Because that's the whole secret behind day 31 of our Hanuman Chalisa journey. Purpose is what unlocks your power, not talent, not luck, not opportunity. Purpose. Before we begin, follow, subscribe, and comment Jai Hanuman to stay connected. अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता, which means Ma Sita blessed Hanuman with the power to grant the Ashtasiddhis and Navanidhis. This verse isn't saying Hanuman chased powers. It's saying he became worthy of them because his heart was aligned with service, devotion, and truth. Let me tell you about a man who lived this verse without ever chanting it. Arunachalam Muruganandam, a school dropout born into poverty in Coimbatore, worked as a welder, a man no one considered extraordinary. Until one day, he discovered his wife was using old rags during her periods because sanitary pads were too expensive. He didn't get angry, he didn't give a lecture. He simply said, "No woman who loves me should suffer like this." That was the moment his purpose woke up. He began experimenting with cotton, machines, ideas, failing sometimes 20 times a day. People laughed at him. Villagers mocked him. His wife left for 2 years because she couldn't bear the humiliation. But Muruganandam kept going. Why? Because purpose doesn't need applause, it needs conviction. Years later, he created the world's cheapest sanitary pad machine, simple enough for any rural woman to use and build a livelihood. Today, he is known as the Pad Man of India. He received the Padma Shri recognition by Times, and on the one of, by Times he is considered as one of the 100 most influential people. Global awards for social innovation and gratitude from millions of women. But listen to what he said in an interview. I didn't want money. I wanted every girl to feel safe. When your heart is pure, God gives you strength you never had. And that line is the essence of this verse. He didn't gain powers by chasing them. He gained powers because purpose sharpened him. That is Ashtasiddhi, inner mastery, clarity, courage, intuition, and perseverance. That is Navnidhi, the richness of impact, dignity, compassion, and legacy. Ma Sita blessed Hanuman because his intentions. Life blessed Muruganandam because of the same reason. Tulsidas wrote this verse to show you Hanuman never asked for power. He asked for devotion. Power came after grace because his heart was pure enough to hold them. The world doesn't award brilliance. It rewards purity. It rewards intention. It rewards purpose. Hanuman didn't become powerful because he was strong. He became powerful because he was aligned. And that's what Tulsidas wanted us to see. Purpose is the doorway. Siddhi and Nidhi are the gifts. So let me ask you a question. What are you doing every day that your soul is proud of? Are you waking up with routine or with purpose? Because when your purpose is clear, your path becomes blessed, your abilities rise, your spirit expands, your life glows. That's the blessing of this verse. So say it softly with me. अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता. May Ma Sita bless your purpose. May Hanuman strengthen your journey. May your life move from routine to meaning. Tomorrow, day 32, we will explore a verse that shows how Hanuman became the destroyer of sorrow and guardian of the pure hearted. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one purpose waiting to rise. Jai Hanuman.